Ka na. Para hindi siya masakit, ha? Palitan out sila, eh. Parang sa, sa vaccine, nagpapabakuna ka ba? Nagpapabakuna ba ito, Mari?
Takot sa vaccine.
Ito hindi. Sabit lang po. Para na palitan out sila. Ha? Yung parang kagat. Jen, kailangan ko siya mamaya pag nag-inject. Video, ha? Sarap siya. Palitan out sila. Dito dali. Ha? Okay?
Strong yan.
Sige lang, video mo naman.
Strong yan eh.
Parang ganito lang. Chick. Kaya parang ganun kagat. Ha? Ano mo yan? Okay?
Ano yung video daw? Ano po yung video?
Video sa picture. Okay.
Kinakabahan ka na. Kinakabahan ka na. Feel nervous, kid.
Are you nervous? Are you scared? No. Good job.
Wala pa, hindi pa. Big pa lang.
Maya. You tell the doctor if it's already numb. You feel like it's numb or it's
Numb.
Oh, really? It's getting bigger, right? It looks like it's getting bigger. Numb. How do you feel now? How do
Numb?
you feel?
Parang nasa ako sa bird.
Ano daw? Parang nasa?
Sa bird.
Ano daw?
Bird.
Void.
Nasa?
Void.
Ano yun?
Numb.
Nasa outer space.
Outer space!
May sarili silang term.
Oo nga. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Just a little lang, just a little. Look. No, I'm just going
No,
to put the anesthesia like that.
Oo, para hindi ma-feel yung ano. Konti
No, it's not
lang.
painful, promise. Oh, close your eyes.
Close your eyes kasi. Close your eyes.
Oh, basta
Close your
move
eyes.
lang ha.
Don't move. Close your
Promise,
eyes.
Don't move.
It's not scary.
Oh, don't move lang. Okay,
Don't move, ha?
You behave ka lang, look at the camera.
Close your eyes. Close your
Close your-
eyes.
Oh, wala to, wala. It's nothing. Ha ha ha. Promise,
Close your eyes. Wala yan.
No, it's not painful, promise, believe me.
Lapit lang.
Yes.
Yeah. Oo. So you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Katie. I said close your eyes.
Tingnan niyo yung hands.
Close your eyes.
Okay, good job. Oh. Okay, inhale. Oh, ganun lang, ganun lang. Don't move. Don't move. Mamaya wala na yun. Oh.
Oo,